Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting down my drills from my two diamond paintings, one being this cat diamond painting and the other being this raccoon diamond painting. I will link the completion videos above. I use this photo box system. I got these photo boxes from Joann Fabrics. I do just cut up pieces of mail and put the DMC number in it as my dividers. And I have a bag for every color with the shape of the diamond, the DMC, and the name of the color. I do have labels that at some point I made to put on there, and they have pretty much, so these are all of the DMCs that I don't currently have bags for, so that means I don't currently have them. So I do, yeah, so you could see all the ones I don't have yet. So yeah, there's still a lot I don't have apparently. So if there is interest, I can make a, I don't know, PDF version of these labels and put it on a Google document or something. I don't know. I would have to look into that, but yeah, if there's interest in that, I can do it. I'll look up how to do it. So I do shade match also. So if there are, I'm trying to find if there are, like, see, like for this one, these are both squares, but you could obviously see one is like a, I don't know, more lighter blue purple, while this more looks like a black purple. See, like, I do shade match. It seems like this one is more popular one because I have 3 different diamond paintings in this. Oh, so I do keep the labels when possible. Just, yeah. Or I might even have a 3rd one because see this one, I mean a 4th one, since, yeah. I do keep the labels. I don't know why. I might stop doing it because it might get unruly. But for now, I've been doing it where I do shade match. It does make the kitting down process a lot longer. So that's why I've been combining 2 diamond paintings at once, because I figure I'll get this done faster if I do this. So I will do this on a time lapse, and I'll say hi at the end of the video. Okay, I'm done. Here is the final color, which I think is a beautiful name, Autumn Gold Dark. All right. I think, yeah, I did say in an earlier video I was planning to get more boxes, and I really do need to go get more boxes. It's just at this time, um, Joann's was pretty much out of them, so I'm have to wait for a restock, or at least the Joann's at my, what's it called, where I live was out of stock, so I need to hold off until more get into stock. But, well, thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!